Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome into the second episode of our vlog series on renal dialysis. Today I shall share with you a case history of Mrs. Sarah. She is 45 years old teacher and mother of two. Before her diagnosis, she was leading a busy life, working full-time, running after kids, and taking care of her family. Like many of us, she took her health for granted, never imagining she would face a serious medical condition. But one day, Sarah started feeling unusually tired. Her legs began swelling, and she could not shake off the feeling of nausea. After several visits to her doctor, she was diagnosed with kidney failure. Her kidneys were no longer able to filter waste and excess fluids from her body. Her condition had reached a point where dialysis would become a necessity. For Sarah, the next step was clear: dialysis. This life-saving treatment helps filter the toxins, excess fluid, and waste that her kidneys could no longer manage. While Sarah initially found the idea of dialysis overwhelming, it was the only way to keep her alive. Dialysis would now be a part of her life, usually requiring treatment 3 times a week, each session lasting about 4 hours. At first, Sarah struggled with the exhaustion that followed each dialysis session. The constant fatigue, the inconvenience of fitting dialysis into her schedule, and the emotional toll of living with a chronic condition began to weigh heavily on her. Despite the benefits of dialysis, the procedure is not easy. The needles, the time commitment, and the uncertainty about the future brought constant stress. Sarah's relationships were also impacted. Her kids did not fully understand why she could not always keep up with their activities. And her husband had to step in more to help with the household. But through it all, Sarah remained determined to live her life as fully as possible, even with dialysis in the picture. Over time, Sarah learned to adjust. She found ways to cope with the fatigue and began incorporating healthy habits like a kidney-friendly diet and regular exercise. She also learned heavily on her support system, her family, her doctors, and fellow dialysis patients who understood exactly what she was going through. This support made all the difference in her journey. Today, Sarah's condition is manageable, and though dialysis remains a part of her life, she is grateful for the treatment that allows her to continue living. The future of kidney disease treatment is looking promising, with advancements in dialysis technology and even the potential for kidney transplants, offering hope for millions of patients like Sarah. Sarah's story is just one of the many. Over 2 million people worldwide depend on dialysis to survive, and millions more are affected by kidney disease. By sharing this video, you can help raise awareness about renal dialysis and encourage people to take proactive steps toward kidney health. If you or someone you know is facing kidney disease, remember that help is available and there is always hope for a better future. So, dear colleagues and viewers and friends, today we have learned that renal dialysis is a life-saving treatment for those whose kidneys are no longer able to perform their vital functions. It may be a challenging process, but it allows millions of people to continue living with hope and resilience. But renal dialysis is just one part of the kidney health journey. Prevention is key. Simple lifestyle changes, regular checkups, and staying informed can help protect your kidneys. And for those already facing kidney disease, early intervention and treatment options like dialysis make a world of difference. Though the road is not easy, those who undergo dialysis, like Sarah, show incredible strength and resilience. There is hope in the ongoing advancements in kidney disease treatments, and there is always a way forward. Together, we can support kidney health, reduce the burden of kidney disease, and empower patients to live their best lives. If you or someone you know is affected by kidney disease, take action. Share this video, talk to your doctor about kidney health, and encourage others to take steps towards protecting their kidneys. The more we raise awareness, the better equipped we will be to support those facing kidney failure. Every voice counts in making a difference. Kidney disease does not discriminate, but with awareness, early treatment, and compassion, we can change lives. Let's spread hope, raise awareness, and give those living with dialysis the support they truly deserve. Inshallah, in the next episode, we shall dive deep into what renal dialysis is, why it is needed, and how it impacts the lives of patients. We shall also look at the different types of dialysis, how patients adjust to it, and the future of kidney disease treatments. Till then, take care. Khuda Hafiz.